New from RIDGID, Close Quarters PEX Crimp Tools, the latest addition to the company's PEX tool lineup, offering innovative features that make PEX crimping easier and more comfortable than ever before. Available in 1/2" and 3/4" inch sizes, Close Quarters tools are ideal for making connections in potable water and radiant heating applications. Handle openings of up to 70% smaller than standard PEX crimp tools give contractors the ability to more easily maneuver in tight spaces. Durable glass-filled polycarbonate handles are ergonomically designed to improve user comfort and reduce operator fatigue. An exclusive go-no-go gauge folds into the handle for easy storage and access. And a new improved adjustable cam enables easier tool calibration and ensures proper connection performance. The Close Quarters PEX tools expand upon current RIDGID product offerings for ASTM F1807 PEX. These include standard crimp tools available in 1/2" and 1" sizes, and battery-operated press tools with PEX jaws available in 1/2 through 1¼ inch. Made for use with ASTM F1807 copper crimp rings, these tools are available through traditional U.S. and Canadian plumbing distributors and come with the RIDGID lifetime warranty against material defects and workmanship. For additional information about the full line of RIDGID PEX crimp tools and accessories, please visit RIDGID.com.